Want to protect your battery without thinking about it? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can turn on adaptive battery protection, and your phone will take care of it automatically based on your sleep patterns. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Battery, tap Battery, tap Battery Protection, and then make sure to turn it on. Now select Adaptive. When this feature is active, your phone will stop charging at 80% while you are asleep. Then just before you wake up, it switches to basic mode, charging to 100%. This helps reduce battery aging without changing your routine. However, if your sleep time is hard to predict, the phone may use basic protection instead, just until it learns your habit. So with adaptive mode, your phone gets smarter and your battery stays healthier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.